Here are the top 10 things that you should be buying at Sam's Club this month. Strap on your seatbelt. I've got lots of goodies for you. In our number 10 spot is this Hydro Jug Pro with a $5 instant savings priced at $19.98. I love all the color varieties of this Hydro Jug Pro. We got pink, we got black, we got green, we got floral. This is shatterproof. It also contains a straw sleeve and a double layer of insulation for you with a beautiful strap and handle. This holds 73 ounces of fluid. My friend, we are going to be peeing quite a lot with that much fluid circulating throughout our bodies. So if you're wanting to get healthier, check out this Hydro Jug Pro. In our number 9 spot is this Power XL Nutra Sealer. It comes in a variety of colors. We have red, white, and black. $3 instant savings for a price of $49.98. If you've been looking for a food saver, now is the time to grab one of these at your local Sam's Club. Your food is going to stay fresh up to 5 times longer, which means that you save more money. It has a built-in cutter and no scissors are needed. 6 in 1, my friend. We got vacuum bags, bag rolls, food bags, snack bags, containers, and bottles. Sticking with our healthy eating and consumption theme, in our number 8 spot, we have the Quilted Lunch Totes with $5 instant savings priced at $19.98. That is a steal of a deal, my friend. I've bought lots of lunch boxes with 4 kids, and this one, I'm telling you, is good. It's a 6-piece deluxe set with an insulated bag, a 24-ounce water bottle, Performance XL ice pack so that your food will stay colder for longer. It comes in a variety of colors. We have gray, red, green, and black. Fit and fresh all year long. And because you know that I love all things cleaning obsessed, in our number 7 spot, we have our O-Cedar Ring Mop System. I have one of these myself. It comes with 3 refills, $3 instant savings for a final price of $40.63. This is America's number 1 spin mop. It removes over 99% of bacteria with just plain water. Picks up dirt, dust, and hair with less effort. Again, sticking with our healthy theme, in our number 6 spot, we have the Ninja Speedy Air Fryer with $40 instant savings for a final price of $139.98. It has a 6-quart capacity. It can steam and air fry all at the same time. The Ninja multi-purpose pan is also included with this Speedy Air Fryer. It has 11 functions. If you are busy during the week and you want healthy on-the-go meals, this is where it's at. I love all things Ninja, and I think you will love this too. In our number 5 spot is my favorite dishwashing detergent, and it's the Cascade Pods. It actually comes with 105 action packs, $3.50 off instant savings for a final price of $15.48. It contains Dawn grease fighting power. Again, love me some Dawn. It comes in this fresh scent, so stock up, my friend, on these Cascade dish detergent pods while they last. I'm loving the Sam's Club haul today because it has lots of cleaning things in it. And our number 4 spot is this OxiClean Max Stain Remover. I use this in every single load of laundry. Yes, I do. An instant savings of $4.70 with a final price of $12.82. This is an 8-pound container. I typically would buy this at Target, but I'm going to save myself a heck of a lot of money on this one. The nice thing about OxiClean is you can use it in 101 different places. I've made videos on this, my friend. But carpet, grout, couches, laundry, and pet stains. Woo-wee! This next one is real satisfying. Thumbs up if you can relate to this one. In our number 3 spot, we have our Lysol spray. Something about the smell of this is very comforting to me. It comes in a 3-pack, $3 instant savings with a final price of $10.98. I like to use this in my car, on my shoes, in my entryway, on my handles, on my remote controls, basically anywhere that bacteria could lie. This Lysol spray kills 100 illnesses that cause germs. So if you want your house fresher, smelling great, and you want to feel like it's nice and clean, stock up on some Lysol spray. In our number 2 spot is this 13-gallon step can. This was in the entryway when I came into my local Sam's Club. I love that it's stainless steel. It looks slick. It's great if you have dirty fingers. All you have to do is put your foot on that lever to pop that lid right open, and it also has a soft close lid with a removable liner, which makes it easy for cleaning because somehow the garbage cans get so dirty despite there being a bag in there. A great place for this is not only a kitchen or pantry, but your garage. Yes, every time we get out of our vehicles, we make sure to empty the trash in a garage can that we have in there. It uses your standard trash bag size. It has $10 instant savings for a final price of $49.98. And this is the best part. Print and stain resistant? Heck yes. Now's the time to get your home organized. In our number one spot, we have the 8 flip lock storage containers, $6 instant savings for a final price of $23.98. This was a steal of a deal compared to some of my Amazon pantry purchases. It has an airtight seal, so it's going to keep your food fresher for longer, saving you more money. These are stackable and BPA free. It's going to help you save space in your kitchen, in your pantry, in your bathroom. This is great for so many different places in your house. And a couple of tasty bonus items here for you. Look at these 8-count cheesecakes. This is great for Valentine's Day if you are hosting a party. Maybe you wanted to give these to a friend, a neighbor, a church friend. They look so delicious. Priced at $16.98. That is a steal for cheesecake. Cheesecake is one of my favorites, but I had to resist on this one today. Next, we have these cupcakes, 8-count. They are so beautiful and pretty. I have bought cupcakes previously from Sam's Club, and I will give them a thumbs up. These beautiful ones are priced at $10.98. If you need a quick Valentine's Day goodie for a loved one, or you just want something tasty for yourself, grab some of these goodies right now. Now, if you want to know the 10 best things that you should be buying at your local Dollar Tree this month, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.